The star Betelgeuse, a red supergiant and a monstrous celestial body found in the wonderful collection of Orion, has long charmed stargazers and cosmologists. This is due to its sheer size and brilliance. If Betelgeuse were placed where our Sun is, it would reach the orbit of Jupiter, showcasing its immense size despite being located approximately 642 light years from Earth. Its vast size makes it one of the brightest stars visible to the naked eye. Betelgeuse has displayed unusual behavior such as unexpected dimming and brightening cycles, which many experts believe signal that the star is nearing the end of its life. Renowned physicist Brian Cox recently made a striking statement that Betelgeuse is on the verge of a significant event expected to occur within the next 14 days. This event, a supernova, will mark the end of Betelgeuse's life but will also offer an extraordinary opportunity for scientists to observe one of the most fascinating and powerful phenomena in the universe. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is categorized as one of the largest and most massive types of stars. It has been a focus of cosmic studies for decades, but its recent unpredictable brightness variations have sparked theories that it is preparing for a supernova. When a star like Betelgeuse reaches the end of its life, its core collapses under its own gravity, triggering a massive explosion that releases an enormous amount of energy, radiation and stellar material into space. Betelgeuse's imminent explosion is expected to be a Type II supernova, a specific kind of stellar event that occurs when the core of a massive star collapses. This core collapse sets off the release of neutrinos and radiation, creating a shock wave that destroys the star. The explosion will be so bright that it could be visible from Earth without telescopes, potentially even outshining the moon in the night sky for weeks or months. Although such an event would typically be catastrophic if it occurred near Earth, Betelgeuse's distance of around 642 light-years means that, while the explosion will be visible and it poses no threat to life on our planet, nevertheless the event promises to reshape our understanding of supernova and other cosmic phenomena. Supernova is one of the most powerful events in the universe, releasing more energy in seconds than the Sun will emit over its entire lifetime. Betelgeuse explosion will not only be a dazzling display but also a monumental moment for science. Researchers are eager to witness this captivating event from its earliest stages, using a variety of ground-based and space telescopes, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope JWST, to collect as much data as possible. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will emit a wide range of radiation, from visible light to gamma rays. One of the most significant aspects of the supernova will be the flood of neutrinos, elusive subatomic particles that rarely interact with matter. Neutrinos from a supernova can actually reach Earth before the light from the explosion due to their ability to pass through almost everything unimpeded. Observatories such as Japan's Super Kamiokande and the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica are preparing to detect these neutrinos, providing an early advantage in observing Betelgeuse's final moments. The explosion will also yield crucial insights into the formation of heavy elements. When stars explode, they create and scatter elements like iron, gold, silver, and uranium. Material is essential for life as we know it. Studying Betelgeuse supernova will offer scientists a clearer understanding of this element creation process, which is vital for comprehending the formation of planets and the chemistry of the universe. While Betelgeuse supernova is not expected to have harmful effects on Earth, it will interact with our planet's atmosphere and magnetic field in fascinating ways. The energy burst from the explosion, particularly the release of cosmic rays and charged particles, could result in more intense auroras, extending the regions where the northern and southern lights are visible. While these cosmic rays could impact satellite communications and some technologies on Earth, the disruptions are expected to be minor and short-lived. Perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of Betelgeuse explosion is that it will be visible to everyone on Earth, not just professional astronomers with advanced equipment. For weeks or even months, Betelgeuse is expected to be the brightest object in the night sky, possibly even visible during the daytime. This spectacle will captivate not only scientists but also amateur astronomers and the general public, sparking renewed interest in astronomy and the cosmos. Scientists have Long speculated about Betelgeuse demise, but Brian Cox's recent statement adds urgency. Observatories worldwide are preparing to monitor every phase of the supernova, and the data collected will be critical, potentially transforming our understanding of stellar evolution, supernova, and the distribution of heavy matter in the universe. Betelgeuse supernova will allow researchers to refine their models of stellar behavior. Being relatively close to Earth, it offers a unique opportunity to study how energy from such an event travels through space by observing the light and radiation from the explosion as it interacts with the interstellar medium, gas and dust between stars. Astronomers will gain a clearer understanding of the scale of the universe. The event will also provide a rare opportunity to explore dark matter and its influence on the structure of the universe. Dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, does not emit or absorb light, making it difficult to detect. However, observing how light and matter behave around Betelgeuse after its explosion could provide indirect insights into the role dark matter plays in the universe's large-scale structure. Betelgeuse supernova will also bring us closer to understanding the life cycles of stars, particularly how massive stars contribute to the creation of elements essential for life. Supernova are key cosmic events responsible for spreading heavy elements throughout the universe, elements that eventually form new stars, planets, and even living organisms. Betelgeuse supernova will likely have lasting implications for multiple fields of science beyond shedding light on the process of heavy element formation. The data collected from this event could refine our understanding of nucleosynthesis, the process by which elements are created within stars, and provide critical insights into how these elements are dispersed into the interstellar medium. In addition, the supernova will offer a unique perspective on stellar feedback, a process by which stars influence their surrounding environments. The shock waves generated by Betelgeuse explosion will compress nearby clouds of gas and dust, potentially triggering the birth of new stars. Observing this in real time will allow researchers to study the interplay between stellar death and star formation, further enriching our understanding of galactic evolution. Betelgeuse explosion also represents an unprecedented opportunity to explore the physics of extreme conditions. The intense temperatures, pressures, and densities involved in a supernova are virtually impossible to replicate in laboratories on Earth. By studying the light curves, radiation, and neutrino emissions from Betelgeuse supernova, scientists can test and refine theories about matter and energy under the most extreme circumstances known to the universe. The cultural and educational impact of such a visible and dramatic cosmic event cannot be understated. Throughout history, celestial phenomena have captured human imagination, inspiring myths, scientific discoveries, and advancements in technology. Betelgeuse supernova will likely have a similar effect, fostering global interest in astronomy and potentially encouraging a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers to pursue careers in space research. Moreover, this event could highlight the importance of international collaboration in science. Ground and space-based observatories across the globe, as well as neutrino detectors and radio telescopes, will work in concert to cap as much data as possible. This collaborative effort will exemplify the shared human endeavor to understand our place in the cosmos. The timing of Betelgeuse supernova also holds significance, with advanced technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and upcoming instruments such as the Vera Rubin Observatory. Researchers are better equipped than ever to analyze such an event in detail. The vast amount of data collected will likely lead to breakthroughs in multiple areas of astrophysics, from the study of gravitational waves to the behavior of matter and energy in the interstellar medium. In the long term, Betelgeuse supernova could also influence the search for extraterrestrial life. The heavy elements released during the explosion, such as carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, are critical for the formation of organic molecules. Understanding how these elements are distributed throughout the galaxy will deepen our knowledge of the chemical pathways that lead to the emergence of life finally. Betelgeuse supernova will serve as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. While the event marks the end of a star's life, it is also the beginning of new processes that will shape the cosmos for millions of years to come. In this way, Betelgeuse's explosion symbolizes the cyclical nature of creation and destruction, providing profound insights into the interconnectedness of all cosmic phenomena. As the world waits for this celestial spectacle, the scientific community stands ready to embrace one of the most important astronomical events of our era. Betelgeuse supernova will not only deepen our understanding of the universe but also inspire humanity to continue exploring the mysteries of the stars. Concentrating on Betelgeuse, researchers will acquire important insights into how these components are made and distributed. The social significance of Betelgeuse explosion is also important. For centuries, people have looked to the stars for guidance, inspiration, and meaning. The vanishing of one of the most prominent stars in the Orion constellation will spark philosophical reflection on the transient nature of the universe. In certain cultures, such celestial events have been interpreted as omens or signs of significant change. Betelgeuse explosion might inspire a mix of awe, fear, and wonder as people from all walks of life witness the death of a star. This grand event is likely to reignite interest in space exploration and astronomy, drawing more individuals into the pursuit of knowledge about the universe. Amateur astronomers are already preparing for the event as modern technology allows almost anyone with a camera or telescope to observe and document the cosmic explosion. This democratization of science will unite people across the globe, all observing and recording the same extraordinary phenomenon from their unique vantage points. Betelgeuse explosion is not only a spectacular celestial event but also a stepping stone for future exploration. The data gathered from the cosmic blast will inform how we study other stars, particularly as we venture further into space with missions to other planets and stars. Understanding the life cycles of stars and the properties of supernova is crucial as humanity seeks to expand its presence in the solar system and beyond. Additionally, the explosion will reignite interest in the search for extraterrestrial life. Supernova are essential for spreading the building blocks of life such as carbon and oxygen across the universe. By studying Betelgeuse explosion, scientists can better understand how life's building blocks could spread to other planetary systems, potentially sparking life elsewhere in the universe. As Betelgeuse's impending explosion approaches, it is set to become one of the most significant astronomical events in recent memory. Its cosmic blast will provide an abundance of scientific data, enhancing our understanding of the universe and captivating people worldwide. Betelgeuse's death will mark the end of a giant star, but it will also symbolize the ongoing cycle of creation and destruction that governs the universe, reminding us that from death, new stars, planets, and even life itself can arise. As we prepare for this historic event, the world will eagerly watch the radiation and neutrino emissions from moment when one of the universe's most scientists can powerful forces and burst into theories about matter. Both scientists and energy under the most extreme circumstances known to the universe will be cultural and educational impact of such last visible and dramatic cosmic event. Speculative be understated throughout history. Possibilities celestial phenomena have captured human explosion, imagination, inspiring myth as scientific on some of the universe's discoveries and advancements. Mysteries, dark matter, and dark energy. Supernova. These elusive forces are have a similar effect, account for the majority of the interest in universe's mass and energy. Yet they encouraging a new generation of some speculate scientists, engineers, and explorers like the one anticipated pursue careers in space. From Betelgeuse could hold. Moreover, this event could unlocking these mysteries, importance of international released vast collaboration, energy, and and radiation in space observatories across these powerful globe, as well as neutrino detectors with dark matter, and radio telescopes will work in concert. Study one intriguing theory as much data as possible. Dark matter exists. Collaborative effort will exemplify massive particles. Shared human endeavor to understand exist their interaction. Place in the cosmos with the energy released by Betelgeuse. Supernova cosmic blast could provide clues to with advanced technology discovery would be James Webb Space Telescope, offering the first direct evidence of dark matter, mysterious the phenomenon that observatory researchers for
are better
decades
equipped
than ever
there
to
is
analyze
potential for
such an event
Betelgeuse
in detail.
explosion
The vast amount
offer insights
of data
into the nature
collected
of
will
dark
likely lead to
energy, dark
breakthroughs
energies
in
in
multiple
mysterious
areas of
force driving the
astrophysics from the
accelerated
study
expansion
of
gravitational
the universe
waves
by
by
studying
studying
how
how
light,
matter and energy behave during
interstellar
Betelgeuse
medium in the long-term
cosmic blast.
Betelgeuse.
Scientists could gather
Supernova could also
crucial
influence
data
the
on how stellar
search
events
for
like
extraterrestrial
these
life,
interact with the fabric
heavy
of
elements released
spacetime
during the
itself. Although
explosions such as
speculative,
carbon,
this
oxygen,
kind of
and
research could
nitrogen are critical for the
revolutionize our
formation
understanding of the
organic molecules,
fundamental
understanding
forces shaping our universe.
these elements are
If Betelgeuse
distributed
cosmic
throughout
explosion
the galaxy
proves
will deepen
to be
our
a pivotal event
knowledge
for
of the
unraveling
chemical
the
pathways that
mystery of dark
lead
matter
to the
and dark
emergence of
energy.
life. Finally,
It will solidify its
Betelgeuse
place as
supernova
not just
will
a
serve as
spectacle for
a reminder of
stargazers,
the
but one
dynamic
of
and
the most
ever-changing
important
nature of the
astronomical
universe.
events.
While
In
the
history,
event
the
marks
stage
the end
is
of
set
a
for Betelgeuse
star's life, it
JW's
is also
grand
the beginning
finale,
of
and with it comes
new
a
processes that will shape the
unprecedented opportunity
cosmos
to unlock
for
some
millions of years
of
to
the
come in
universe's
this
most
way.
significant
Betelgeuse
secrets, as
explosion
experts
symbolizes
continue
the
to monitor
cyclical nature of
Betelgeuse's
creation
life.
and
Its inevitable
destruction, providing
explosion will
profound
serve as a
insights
turning point
into the
for
interconnectedness of
astronomical
all
research. The event
cosmic
is
phenomena as the
expected
world
to
waits
prompt a
for
surge in funding.
this celestial
An
spectacle.
interest
The
in astronomy
scientific
and space
community stands
exploration
ready to embrace
institutions
one of
worldwide are
the most
already
important
planning
astronomical
missions and
events.
research events of
Projects
our
to
era.
study
Betelgeuse, as well
supernova
as
will
other
not only deepen
supernova
our
black holes and
understanding
other of the
massive
universe, but also
phenomena and
inspire
deeper understanding
humanity to
of
continue
supernova
exploring
and
their
the
implications.
mysteries of the
Will
stars,
have profound
concentrating on
ramifications for
Betelgeuse. Researchers will
future space
acquire
missions and humanity's
important insights
understanding
into how these
of the universe.
components
With
are
new
made and
tools
distributed.
such as the James Webb
social
Space
significance
Telescope.
of Betelgeuse
JWST
explosion
coming
is also
online. The
important
ability
for
to observe
people
distant
have looked to
supernova
the
and stars for guidance.
unprecedented
Inspiration
detail will
and
broaden our
meaning the vanishing
knowledge
of
of
one of the
stellar
most
depth. The JWST
prominent
with
stars in the Orion.
its infrared capabilities
Constellation
will
will
allow
spark philosophical
astronomers to observe the
reflection on the
earliest
transient nature
stages
of
cosmic
the
blast
universe and
effects
certain
and the
cultures. Such
material they eject
celestial
into
events
space.
have been
These
interpreted
observations
as
will
omens
provide
or
insight
signs of
into
significant change.
the formation of stars. The
Betelgeuse
evolution
explosion
of
might inspire
galaxies and the
mix of
distribution
awe,
of
fear,
heavy
and wonder as people
elements across the
from all
universe.
walks
This
of
event
life witness the death
also holds broader
of a star. This
implications
grand
for the
event is likely
search
to
for extraterrestrial
reignite
life.
interest
The
in space
explosion
exploration
of massive
and
stars
astronomy,
like
drawing more individuals
Betelgeuse offers an opportunity
into the
to
pursuit
study
of
the
knowledge about
conditions
the
necessary
universe.
for life's
Amateur
building
astronomers are already
blocks to spread across
preparing for
galaxies.
the event as
Supernova
modern
and OI
technology allows
the
almost
elements
anyone with a
essential for
camera
life,
or
including
telescope,
carbon,
to observe and
oxygen, and
document
nitrogen,
the
the
cosmic
debris from
explosion. This
Betelgeuse
democratization of
explosion
science will
contribute to the formation
people across
of
the
new
globe, all observing
planets and stars
and
in
recording
the
the same extraordinary
interstellar space
phenomenon
as these
from their unique
dispersed.
vantage.
They create the
Point.
conditions
Speed's
for
explosion is not
life
only
to form
a
in other corners of the
spectacular celestial
universe,
event, but
sparking
also
questions
a
about the
stepping stone for
possibility of
future
life
exploration.
beyond Earth.
The data
explosion
gathered
will
from the
also
cosmic
highlight
blast
the
will
vastness
inform
of
how we
space
study
and the
other
time it
stars,
takes,
particularly
information
as we
to
venture
venture
further
light
into and radiation
space
from
with
Betelgeuse
missions
to
to
cosmic planets
blast
and
will
stars.
take
Understanding the
642
life
years to reach Earth,
cycles of stars,
emphasizing
and the
how
properties
immense
of
the universe is
supernova is
and how much
crucial
is
as
still left
humanity
to
seeks
discover.
To
As we
expand
witness
its presence
this event,
in the
it will
solar
remind
system
us
and
of
beyond.
both the
Additionally, the
insignificance and
explosion will
significance
reignite
of
interest
human life
in
in the grand
search for
scale of
extraterrestrial
the
life.
universe. This realization
NOI are essential for
foster a
spreading
deeper
the
appreciation
building
for
blocks of life,
space
such as
exploration
carbon
and the need
and
to
oxygen across
protect
the
our
universe.
planet
By
culturally.
studying Betelgeuse
coming
explosion has the
scientists
potential
can better
to
understand
leave a
how
lasting legacy
life's
as the
building
cosmic
blocks could spread to
blast unfolds.
other
It will become
planetary
a
systems
shared potentially
experience for
sparking
humanity,
life
igniting
elsewhere in the universe.
interest, wonder,
As
and philosophical
Betelgeuse's impending
reflection,
explosion
people from all walks of
approaches,
life
it is set to
will
become
gather
one of
to witness
the
the
most
event,
significant
whether
astronomical
through telescopes,
events
online platforms,
in recent
or
memory. Its cosmic
simply by
blast
gazing
will
at the night
provide
sky,
an abundance of scientific data, enhancing our understanding of the universe and captivating people worldwide. Betelgeuse death will mark the end of a giant star, but it will also symbolize the ongoing cycle of creation.